How to fix Xbox packet loss on Xbox. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of Xbox application on your device. So as you can see, there's no option of update available over here, which means that the Xbox application is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to go back and then make a long press on Xbox, then tap on App Info. As I tap on App Info, you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that and then tap on OK. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on the required options over here, such as camera, files and media, location, microphone and nearby devices. So just go to each option and give them that access. After that, go back and tap on Xbox, and now the problem of Xbox packet loss would be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.